And so what's involved in that process of kind of working with company on the build plate side of things? I mean, are you kind of send them on demand kind of supply? Are you refurbishing? Are you doing all the above? Like you talked a little bit about kind of qualification
Yeah.
and traceability. I mean, what's involved in that, and maybe a little bit more detail for those who are kind of getting that start on additive and in the metal space.
Absolutely. Well, so I mean, again, and it goes back to, like you said, complexity of industry or qualification. So I mean, the idea of having a build plate, you're going to want to serialize it. You're going to want to know when it came in new, how flat was it? What was the surface finish on it? What was the true position of the, however if you're bolting it or sliding it into the machine, or, however you're attaching it within the unit. You want to know where it started, and then obviously you're gonna build on it, and then you need to be able to, stress relieve it, cut a part off, and then you got to know what condition it's in after that, because you want to restore it, because you'd like to be able to reuse this investment as many times as possible. So you have to understand, has it warped? Has it developed any type of surface finish defect? Is one of your holes out of alignment? Are the slots in it worn? Depending on which machine manufacturer you are. So, I mean, where we come in on that, is obviously we can, build the build plate up from, the bare metal to, the print that's requested, be able to then go ahead and serialize that. And then again, with our inspection equipment, basically record all that quality data so that, every time you send it back to us, you have a measurement, you have a good life cycle on that plate itself, so that you understand if there are any issues in their process. Could it be attributable to the build plate? Don't know, but you'll at least have the data to be able to go find that quickly and simply.
Yeah,
so
that's
for us,
interesting.
like I say,
Yeah.
we'll build it new, or we'll refurbish it. If we didn't build it, we'll still take it and refurbish it.